Hi viewers, welcome to this video, and today I will be teaching you how to block adult websites on Google Chrome. So just let's start. So first of all, open up your Chrome browser, and after that you guys have to click on these three dots and just go a little bit down and search for settings. And after going into settings, click on this third option named as privacy and security. Just click on it. And after clicking on it, in privacy and security, you guys have to look up for security options. Just click on security options. And after that, scroll down and search for select DNS provider. And from here, you guys have to select clean browsing family filter. And after selecting clean browsing family filter, all the adult websites from your Google Chrome will be permanently blocked. And that's how you guys can easily block adult websites on Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.